مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Hello dear students, it's me again, Mr. Osama introducing Unit 5, Lesson 2. As we know, Lesson 2 is the second part of the reading task we did yesterday. I'll remind you of the theme of the unit, jobs and future jobs. First of all, let's check your homework. So open your workbooks, page 52, to check exercise A. Exercise A. Your homework was to choose the correct answer in 8 sentences. Of course, all the words here are related to the theme of jobs and work. And we have studied them yesterday, but actually it wasn't in detail because it was a reading task. Anyways, here are the answers. Number 1, A, discipline, انضباط. Number 2, C, originality. Number 3, D, over, take over or taking over. Number 4, C, adaptability. Number 5, B, soft skills. By soft skills, we mean teamwork and dedication. Anyways, number 6, yes, A, adapt, means يتكيف. Number 7, yes, D, satisfactory, مقنع, مرضي. What about the last one, number 8, yes, B, head. Thank you very much for your effort, and please, if you have any problems, I'll repeat this again, please contact your teacher. And you have to do something very important, which is to look up new words in the dictionary. Make this skill one of the daily skills you do every day. Now let's start our lesson for today. Today's lesson, Lesson 2, will be on your student book, page 69, and on your workbooks, page 52. Here are today's objectives. At the end of the period, my good students should be able to 1. Correctly guess the meanings of some new words from contexts. And actually after that, we're going to look them up in the dictionary. Number 2, speak about the jobs they dream about. And finally, number 3, correctly fill in the spaces with words from given lists. Let's start. Open your student books, page 69. Today we're gonna do exercises F and G. Exercise F. Look at the highlighted words in the text and match them with their meanings, A to G. Then check your answers using a dictionary. Here, again and again, we have the same strategy to answer this question. We have to read the words in contexts. Yes, read around the word and try to guess the meaning. Then come to the choices and choose the right one for each word. We have here 7 words, which are discipline, head, ethics, sustainable, adapt, originality, and limb. This time, I want to ask you to do the exercise yourselves. No help from my side. Please depend on yourself and your knowledge. Pause the video, do the exercise, and then play the video back to check your answers. Here are the answers. The first word, disciplines or discipline. In the context, it's written like this, disciplines. But in the question, it's discipline. Yes. So, which phrase defines this word, discipline? Yes, true, F. Thank you very much. F is a subject or field of study. Number 2, head. Yes, C, the most senior person in an organization, company, team, etc. Number 3, ethics. Yes, good, E, moral principles, أخلاق. Number 4, sustainable. Yes. G, able to last because it's not harmful to the environment. Very good. What about number 5, adapt? Yes. D, which is to change the way you think or behave according to the new environment or set of circumstances. Let's move to number 6, which is originality. Yes, the answer is D, the personality trait of having new and unique ideas. And finally, number 7, limb. Yes, A, a body part such as an arm or leg, الأطراف. You've done a great job, and I hope your answers are all correct. Now let's move to the dictionary part and looking up new words in the dictionary. As usual, we'll click on the pictures to go on Cambridge Online Dictionary to hear the word pronounced in the American and in the British way, and to know the meaning, the correct meaning, to make sure of what we have done previously. Here are the words we're gonna look up. The first word is discipline, head, ethics, sustainable, adapt, originality, and limb. Let's have a go on online Cambridge dictionaries.
Discipline, discipline.
Discipline, discipline.
Head, head.
Head, head. Ethics, ethics.
Sustainable, sustainable.
Sustainable, sustainable. Adapt, adapt.
Adapt, adapt.
Originality, originality.
Originality, originality.
Limb, limb.
Limb, limb,
Now it's time for exercise G. Which of the three jobs would you be interested in and why? We have the three jobs: ethics officer, machine personality designer, creator of custom body parts. Pause the video. Think of one of the jobs that suits you the most and write your response in a sheet of paper, and then play the video again to see a sample answer. Here is a suggested answer. I think I'd prefer to be an ethics officer. Companies have much more power than individuals. So, when they behave ethically, they can make a bigger difference in society than any of us can on our own. I'd like to be part of making sure that a company does everything it can for the benefit of its employees and their families, as well as society as a whole. Now tell me, which job have you chosen and why? Now let's move to your workbooks. Open your workbooks, page 52, to do exercise B. Here is exercise B. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the word or phrases in the box. Here we have 10 words or phrases, and we have to use them to fill in the spaces in this paragraph. Let's first read the words or phrases. Carry out. What does it mean? To carry out means to do something. Yes? Okay. What about employee? Employee is the person who works for somebody. All right? What about fringe benefits? Yes, the side benefits. What about hire? Hire someone means to give him a job. Okay? What is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to think well, to solve problems, and so on. Satisfaction. Satisfaction is a feeling that you feel that you accept something. Okay? What about salary? Of course, all of us knows this word. Salary means the money you are paid at the end of each month. Senior is the chief, the boss. Okay? What about this word? Skill. The skill is something that you can do, while others cannot do the same as you. Okay? The last word is workload. Workload means that sometimes you have a lot of work and you have load on your back. Do you understand it? Okay. Now pause the video, read the paragraph, choose the correct word or phrase, and then play the video again to check your answers. Here are the answers. Number 1, employees. 2, workload. 3, hire. 4, carry out. 5, salaries. 6, fringe benefits. 7, senior. 8, satisfaction. 9, intelligence. And 10, skills. I hope you all got 10 out of 10. Thank you, dear students. Now it's time for your homework for today. Your homework will be workbook page 52, exercise C. Have a look at exercise C. In exercise C, you have to do 2 things. Number 1, to match the words with their definitions. We have here 5 words: advanced, analytical, recognition, considerably, and artificial. And there are 5 definitions of these words. You have to write the letter in front of the word. Understood? Okay. After that, you have to complete the sentences 1 to 5 with the correct form of the words. Sometimes you can change the word. You understand me? Okay. I wish you do the exercise well, and If you have any problems, please contact your teacher and you can look the words up in the dictionary. I'd like to thank you very much for your effort for today. Actually, you've done a great job. Till we meet again, goodbye and thank you.